die guy. I will kill your mistakes. Stack them on top of one another till they crash down from the way. I remember your face. You wasted my time on you. Say it's alright, I'm mistaken. Wait, you wasted my time on you. Say
Day one is finished. So this morning I had a max clean and jerk event and a muscle up cluster workout.
Green light.
So that's done for day one at the Down Under CrossFit Championships. So me and Daniel are just heading to Woolworths and we're just going to find somewhere to have some food. And then we're going to chill out at our house, and I'm going to give a little bit of a sneak peek to the house. It's very beautiful, show you the view. And yeah, I'm just about to get some lunch, so I'll show you what I have for lunch. I just had a few little bliss balls this morning just to keep me going.
Does that mean you're getting 2 lunches? Because that's the second time you told them that you're getting lunch. She's a bit fatigued, everybody.
And then day 2 tomorrow we have 3 workouts, and then day 3 we have 2 workouts. So yes, I'll check back in with you later. So we just come into Wollongong, closer to where we're staying. We're just having lunch. Justin's still with you. Cheers.
No one told me my hat was tasteful like that.
Are you serious?
Side flip.
Day 1 of competition, we're back at the house. I'm just going to have a little rest and then wake up a bit later, and it will be nearly dinner time. I think it's like close to 4ish or so. So I'm just gonna have a little nap with this beautiful view. And I need to figure something out to do with my hair tomorrow. What have you prepared for us tonight?
Yeah. I've got a sauce with a bit of chorizo,
Vegetables,
beautiful salad, and a bit of slow
pork.
You know what? I think without telling Lisa, but I think I've got to buy a pair of leggings. Yeah, go get this. And then
So we have just arrived at the beach after day 2.
and we're gonna have some recovery.
Woohoo! And we're just at somewhere in Wollongong. And the boys are just about to go for a swim, and we're just going to chill out and watch. Okay, so I'm now back from Wollongong. We got back at around just before lunch. Myself and Daniel stopped for breakfast.
So I'm back on track with food. I was over the weekend, but yesterday, so Sunday, I indulged as the competition finished. So I had some calamari and chips. I had some Cold Rock ice cream. I also had pizza for dinner, which is not something I do regularly, but it's something that I kind of do every now and then if I feel like it. I've kind of been realizing that you need to really find balance with what you're eating. Leading up to the competition, I tried to eat as well as I could. If I felt like some ice cream or something every now and then, I would do that. But since I overindulged a little too much yesterday, I'm back on track with my food today. So this morning I just had some bacon and eggs with like a garden salad. And then I've just been tracking what I've been eating for the rest of the day. So I usually do intermittent fast, but I have been leading off that a little bit now. It just feels better for my body right now. Sometimes I feel like if I am too hungry in the mornings, I do want to eat. I don't really feel like I should be not necessarily starving my body, but if my body is super hungry, I will eat. So I've been doing that lately. So tomorrow or today I've been back to tracking my food, which I will continue to do, and I feel like it's just kind of the best way for me to stay on track and just stay accountable with my eating. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!